Chauhan from S. Chauhan Institute of English, Jagadhri district, Yamunanagar state, Haryana. And today I am taking a poem, The Brook by Alfred Tennyson for class 9 students. The Brook by Alfred Tennyson, video 1 of 2. And line 1 to 12, see the lines. I come from haunts of coot and hern. I make a sudden sally and sparkle out among the fern. I bicker down a valley. By 30 hills I hurry down or slip between the ridges. By 20 tops a little town and half 100 bridges. Till last by Philip's farm I flow to join the brimming river. For men may come and men may go, but I go forever. See the word meaning. Brook. Brook is a narrow stream of water that runs through the narrow passages between mountains and valleys. You must have seen some narrow passages between the mountain ridges, and they come from mountains and fall to the lower ridge. Then they fall to the lower mountains, and then they move towards plains, and they become river when they come out on the plains. And brook is that small river that comes from the high mountains, and it goes towards the lower mountains, then towards the plains, and then it get mixed with water of the sea. Haunts, the place which are frequently visited by animals, birds, human beings. So the place of haunting place. Maybe the place where ghosts haunt. Maybe where people use they are habitual of visiting that place. You can say that is a haunting place for some tourists. And animals or birds may haunt some lakes, in forests, or on the mountain hills. Coot, it's a black colored bird with white beak, and it lives near water. Hern, a large bird with a long neck and long legs. Hern, it's a heron type bird. It also lives near water. Heron. Sally means it's a movement of a person when the person goes from one place in a hurried manner. Then you can say he sallied forth towards school. Here it means to leave a place in a determined and enthusiastic way. Sparkle out, shine brightly. And fern, a plant with tender leaf and without flowers. Bicker means to create noise of resentment, and it may be due to some anger, due to some disagreement. Bicker, the parties, there is a bickering in the party, you can say. Ninth word is ridge, mountain ranges. You may have seen the ridge at some mountain hills, like we see in Shimla Ridge. It's very famous place. Tops, small villages, and brimming means overflowing. When water comes out of, you pour in water in some pot, you keep on pouring, and it's filled. Even then you keep on pouring, then some water comes out of the pot. So that is over brimming. Rivers may overbrim, overflow. Overflow means when more water is coming out and it is beyond the capacity of the pot, then liquid becomes, or they start overflowing. Now I come from haunts of coot and hern, I make a sudden sally. These are first two lines. Let's understand its meaning. In the very first line, the brook tells us about its origin. I come from haunts of coot and hern. The brook is telling us about its origin place of origin, you can say. The place from where the brook has taken birth. It's coming from. The brook tells us about its origin. It comes out of the places that are frequently visited by birds like coot and herons. So it may be a lake, very large lake, where birds come from various places. Uh, in winter season, they may come. Migratory birds may be there from other countries, from Russia, from Siberia. They come from those places, and the brook is personified here. The poet has used the figure of speech, personification, so that the brook may narrate his tale from where it comes, and he comes, let's say, for brook as human being. Let's treat the brook as human being. The brook says that he comes from the places which are haunted by the birds like coot and herons. And the meaning of coot and hen you have seen in the previous slides. The coot is a black colored bird with white beak, and it lives near water. And hern is a heron type bird, long neck and long legs. So it comes out of the places that are frequently visited by the birds like coot and heron. Frequently means again and again. Surrounded by high mountains. That place is surrounded by high mountains. It may be a lake, large lake. Then it quickly moves forward with a strong determination and great enthusiasm. As soon as it comes out of its original place, place of origin, then it moves towards its course, and it moves towards the lower ridges, lower mountains, and it falls very quickly from the high mountain to lower mountain. And it has strong determination, it's full of zeal, it is full of, the brook is full of enthusiasm. And because it has taken birth, and it is full of energy, it's young, therefore it moves forward with full determination and full enthusiasm to visit more and more places. That may be the enthusiasm. Next, and sparkle out among the fern to bicker down a valley. Sparkle out. When it moves through the fern plants, these are also plants, its water shines brightly. Ferns are stunted plants of lower height, of small height, not low, small height, where the sun rays fall, because there are no big trees there, only ferns plants are there. They are like stunted grass plants. Its water shines brightly with the sun rays falling on it. The sun rays falling, therefore there is a sparkle, reflection of sun rays into water. And why this sparkle is there, after that it falls down from a height, creating a lot of noise to enter a valley. So let me make you understand these two lines again. And after taking its birth, when it comes out of its place of origin, it moves forward with full verve, with full enthusiasm and energy. Then it falls down and it passes through some fern plants. Fern plants are small plants. Therefore, water is visible. There is no shade of big trees there, and the sun rays directly fall on them, and those are being reflected into the atmosphere. Therefore, sparkle is coming out in water. And after that, it falls down from a height to creating a lot of noise. When it falls down, it's natural that there would be noise, because it would strike against the rock. the trees, and it would create a lot of noise. So bicker means to create noise here, creating a lot of noise to enter a valley. To bicker down a valley means creating a lot of noise into the valley. It falls down after having sparkle about its water, then it falls down. By 30 hills I hurry down, or slip between the ridges. By 20 tops a little town, and half a hundred bridges. It passes by 30 hills. By 30 hills I hurry down. Hurry down means it passes very quickly by 30 villages. It passes near 30 villages at a very fast speed. Or slip between the ridges. Sometimes it has to slip between the ridges, between two ranges of mountains. By 20 tops, then 20 tops means villages. Tops means villages. During its journey, the brook moves quickly and slips between the ridges, and and half a hundred bridges. Let me tell you, by 30, it passes by 30 villages also, and a small town comes on its way, and half a hundred bridges it passes through. And next slide, let's see. Till last Philip's farm I flow to join the brimming river, for men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. See the previous slide. By 30 hills I hurry down. After falling from a high position, from a high mountain, it falls down into a deep valley. It creates a lot of noise then. And then it goes on smoothly on plain. There may be some plain in hilly area. It says that it passes by 30 hills. No one is counting here, but to create some real picture in the mind of the reader, the poet has used 30 hills. The Brook is using 30 hills here, that he quickly passes 30 hills. Or slip between, sometimes it slips between some two mountains, high mountains. And by 20 tops, by 20 villages it passes by, and small towns also comes in its way, and half a hundred bridges it has to pass through. Pass through means the bridge is above and water passes below the bridge. It passes through at least 20 bridges. Till at last Philip's farm comes, and the brook says, I flow to join the brimming river, and then it joins the overflowing water of the river, brimming river. To flow into river, it joins the river. After passing Philip's farm, it joins a brimming river, the river whose water is overflowing. For men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. These are very famous lines of Tennyson, often quoted. Men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. It tells us philosophy of Lord Tennyson here. The poet says that these are not lines not merely used for the brook. These show the transitory nature of human life, human life, all the creatures on this earth are living here for some short span of time. They are not immortal, we are all mortal, we have to leave this world one day. So men may come and men may go, men take their birth, then they grow into youth, then they grow into old middle-aged persons, then old person, then they die. So they come, new generation comes, and they also grow and go like that. This process goes on forever. Man comes, man goes, man comes, man go, man come, man go, man comes, man goes. So in general way we are saying plural of man, men. Men come, men go, but I go forever. The brook is perennial, you can say permanent type, and they do not disappear from this earth. They have a more span of life as compared to man. Man has shorter span of life as compared to the brook. Brook lasts for a longer life, but man has shorter life as compared to the brook. So I go on forever. It has permanent life. It lives forever till the earth lives. These brooks also live on the earth. Finally, it passes by Philip's farm. This is the landmark the poet has used as a landmark to make the poem realistic. If he does not do so, then it becomes all imaginary. The reader has to imagine that the brook has joined some river. After it creates some imagery in the reader's mind. So it's a very good technique to create imagery. So some picture is aroused in our mind. Finally, it passes by Philip's farm, the landmark as the last point of the journey, and after that it joins the river whose water is overflowing, full to its brim. The river is full. The brook again says that it produces a chattering sound while moving forward. The brook again comes to the sound. The poet again tells us about the sound that the brook is creating. It's a chattering sound. A chattering sound as if someone is talking to some other person. So chattering means to talk. It's a chattering sound. Also says that it flows forever and its life is permanent because it represents nature. The brook is an object of nature, it represents nature. So nature is permanent and the human beings come on the earth for a short time, their life is not permanent. So